Rechargeable aqueous zinc-iodine batteries have received extensive attention due to their inherent advantages such as low cost, flame retardancy, and safety. To address the safety concern associated with zinc dendrites, tin functional layer is introduced to the zinc surface via a spontaneous galvanic replacement reaction. This provides rapid deposition kinetics, thereby achieving the uniform zinc plating or stripping with a low overpotential and good stability for over 900 H. Importantly, the coupling of the advanced Zn anode with iodine in zinc-iodine battery exhibits a high specific capacity of 196.4 mAh per gram 1 with high capacity retention. This work provides a reliable strategy to regulate the reversible redox of zinc for advanced rechargeable batteries.